Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am going to tell you about the layers of atmosphere. So let's start the video. But before starting the video,
Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from MultiChoice.
our atmosphere consists of 5 layers which names are given below. First is Troposphere, second is Stratosphere, third is Mesosphere, fourth is Thermosphere, and the last external layer is Exosphere. Today in this video I am going to tell you about these layers in detail. So let's start our countdown. So on number 1 we have
the troposphere. This is the lowest part of the atmosphere, the part we live in. It contains most of our weather, clouds, rain, snow. In this part of the atmosphere, the temperature gets colder and the distance above the earth increases by about 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. The actual change of the temperature with height varies from day to day depending on the weather. The troposphere contains about 75% of all of the air in the atmosphere and almost all of the water vapor. The decrease in temperature with height is a result of decreasing pressure. If a parcel of air moves upward, it expands. When air expands, it cools, so air higher up is cooler than the air lower down. The lowest part of the troposphere is called the boundary layer. This is where the air motion is determined by the properties of the Earth's surface. Turbulence is generated as the wind blows over the Earth's surface and with thermal rising from the land as it is heated by the sun. This turbulence redistributes the heat and moisture within the boundary layer, as well as pollutants and other constituents of the atmosphere. The top of the troposphere is called the Tropopause, which is the lowest part of the pose where it is about 7 to 10 km above the Earth's surface. It is the highest about 17 to 18 km near the
now move to the next. So on number 2 we have
the stratosphere. This extends upward from the tropopause to about 50 km. It contains much of the ozone in the atmosphere. The increase in temperature with height occurs because of the absorption of ultraviolet radiation from the sun by this ozone. Temperature in the stratosphere are highest over the summer pole and lowest over the winter pole. By absorbing ultraviolet dangerous radiations, the ozone in the stratosphere protects us from the skin cancer and other health damage. However, chemicals called CFCs or freons and halogens, which were once used in refrigerators, spray cans, and fire extinguishers, have reduced the amount of ozone in the stratosphere, particularly at polar altitudes, leading to the so-called Antarctic zone ozone hole. Now humans have stopped making most of the harmful CFCs. We expect that the ozone hole will eventually recover over the 21st century, but it is a slow process.
now move to the next. So on number 3 we have
Mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere is called the Mesosphere. Here the temperature again decreases with height, reaching a minimum of about minus 90 degree at the Mesopause.
so now move on the next. So on number 4 we have
the Thermosphere and Ionosphere. The Thermosphere lies above the Mesopause and it is a region in which temperature again increases with height. This temperature increase is caused by the absorption of energetic ultraviolet and X-ray radiation from the sun. The region of the atmosphere above about 80 km is also called the Ionosphere since the energetic solar radiation knocks electrons off molecules and atoms, turning them into ions with a positive charge. The temperature of the thermosphere varies between night and day and between the seasons, as do the number of ions and electrons which are present. The ionosphere reflects and absorbs radio waves, allowing us to receive short-wave radio broadcasts in New Zealand from other parts of the world.
so now move on the last. So on number 5 we have
The Exosphere. The region above about 500 km is called the Exosphere. It contains mainly oxygen and hydrogen atoms, but there are so few of them that they rarely collide. They follow ballistic trajectories under the influence of gravity, and some of them escape right out into space.
now we are going to talk about Magnetosphere. This is not a layer but a kind of layer, so we are also talking about it.
The Magnetosphere. The Earth behaves like a huge magnet. It traps electrons, negative charge, and protons, positive, concentrating them into two bands, 3,000 and 16,000 km above the globe. The Van Allen radiation belts. This outer region surrounding the Earth, where charged particles spiral along the magnetic field lines, is called the Magnetosphere.
I hope that you liked the video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment on the video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel to never miss any update from my channel. Take care. Meet you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.